Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Philips EasyKey Alpha smart door lock and you need to do a hard reset and restore everything to the factory default settings. You might need to do this if you're having any issues with it not connecting or not responding, not acting right, stuff like that. And this will actually remove the PIN code that you have on it and everything. Now, as you might expect, you can only do this from the inner part of the lock. You can't do it from the pad side. So you need to come to the inside of the door, and you're just going to go ahead and pull this battery cover off of the top here. And once you get that battery cover off the top, you'll notice right down at the bottom of it, on the bottom left, there is a little pinhole reset button. So you'll need a pin or a paper clip or something like that, small enough to get in, but not so sharp that it pokes a hole in something. And you'll just need to, what you need to do the reset on that button is, and this is not like some things where you just hit it once, you need to actually touch it twice. You need to poke it twice. Just go poke, poke, hold it for a second, and then let go, and it will reset everything. It will remove the current pin and restore it to its default factory settings.